Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to control an LED using Arduino IoT Cloud. Let's get started. The components required for this experiment are Node MCU board, breadboard, LED, connecting wires and connecting cable. First connect the LED to the breadboard. Then connect the negative pin of the LED to ground pin in the Node MCU board. And connect the positive pin of the LED to pin D4 in Node MCU board. This is our circuit connection. First log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Here go to Things menu and click Create Thing. Here click Add. Before that we can give a title for this project. Control LED light. And click this Add Variable button. And add a variable name as LED. And from the variable type, select Boolean variable type. And click Add Variable button. Now click on the Select Device button. And then select Set up a third-party device. And select the model as ESP8266, which is my device model. And here select Node MCU 1.0 and click Continue. Here give any device name and click on the Next button. Here you will get the device ID and secret key. Copy this device ID and secret key. Also you can download the PDF which has both the device ID and the secret key. Now click on the Continue button and click Done. Now we need to select the network. Click on this Configure button and enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. And enter the secret key. And click Save. Now go to Sketch menu and click Open Full Editor. So this is our code, and here we need to add few additional logics to make this project complete. So declare a variable and select the output. And add this logic under On LED Change function. Now select the board from here and upload the program to the Arduino Node MCU board. Now the program is uploaded to the board. Now again go to the Arduino IoT Cloud website and go to Dashboard. And here click Build Dashboard. And here also we can give a name. Now click on the Add button and add the switch widget. And here link this variable to the widget. Click Link Variable button and then click Done. Now the setup is completed and we can check the output now.